In a world where energy is the lifeblood of economies, the oil and gas, power and water industries play a vital role. At Glensol, we're proud to be a part of these important sectors, providing oil-field operations and equipment maintenance services to help clients operate safely, efficiently and sustainably in the Caspian region and beyond.
Glensol's only integrated one-stop shop workshop in the region provides a wide range of services, including maintenance to entire fleet of mechanical and electrical equipment of our clients.
Glensol's business strategy is based on 5 corporate values: safety, people-oriented, integrity, excellence and innovation. The company's guiding principles to create a sense of commitment and deliver excellent service to customers.
Glensol brings value to our clients. We help to our valuable clients to streamline their process, but at the same time to reduce their cost and increase their efficiency and production. And most importantly, we do this all with great focus on safety, because safety of our people is main priority for all our organization.
Whether you're a major multinational corporation or an independent producer, Glensol has the knowledge, expertise and resources to help you succeed in today's competitive energy market.
We strive for innovation and excellence by bringing advanced technology and industry standards to our facilities, constantly increasing our capacities. In addition to our core services, we also offer a range of value-added solutions such as our vendor-managed inventory (VMI) services. With VMI, we help clients to reduce their inventory costs, improve supply chain efficiency, and increase productivity.
If you're looking for the partner you can trust to deliver reliable, cost-effective, and sustainable solutions, Glensol is here to help you power your business.